Well, ladies, come here. I got a surprise for us. Well, first off, let me start by saying I got more. Got more of them. There's more over there. One right there. One right there. There's more of them. Yeah, so now I got 6 of these medium-sized ones. I got 7 of these little ones. Yep. So that's not what this video is about, but the video is about this. I bought this one. Yeah. Yeah, so you can see it. So let me show you the package. Right way up. Yeah, no. The glare is horrible. Just in case you were wondering, there's the. Pause it if you have to. I haven't eaten anything all day. So let's try it out. Let's say the camera's got a horrible glare, eh? But it is pretty bright. It might be a little bit darker. I don't know what the hell the camera's doing. But it is bright. Only $25 at Walmart. You see, notice something about these is it have the weight on, and you just wait a minute. It'll start back on the white, or you can put the red. Or the tracker. Yeah. It almost looks like a UV light, or a type of UV. They say it's blue with a hint of red. Yeah, it's a little bit darker. Let me show you something. You got the white, and you got the red. Now, if you just wait, you see how it goes to the tracker, starts in the weight. So that way you don't have to fumble through all of the settings. Yeah. Pretty cool. Actually, I bought this for a camping trip. Yeah, it's got a nice amount of flare on it. That way you can see around you. And it's got a pretty good throw. Yep. Oh, and I bought another great value LED light. That's the one you see. 40 watt equivalent, but they didn't have the cool white one. So, yeah. I'm gonna get all of these. They're ones. Now obviously I'm gonna put them on YouTube. So I'm having trouble finding the little one. 1AA one, 125 lumen. I'm gonna eventually get that one, and then get the 500 lumen, then get to go up to the 1000 lumen one. Yeah, that should be cool to see, eh? Alright. See ya.